Chapter 11. Natural Resources. Lesson View. Natural Resources. Types of Natural Resources. Natural Resources. Natural resources are the ones that are obtained from nature. Air, water, soil, and solar energy are some of the natural resources. People use them for their need. A natural resource cannot be created. It exists in the environment and hence must be used carefully. Types of natural resources. Natural resources are further divided into renewable and non-renewable resources. Teaching tips. Tell the students about differences between the renewable and non-renewable resources. Encourage them to conserve the non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are the ones that does not get reduced even after their consumption. They are also known as inexhaustible resources. Resources such as air, sunlight, water, and soil are used continuously and they are available whenever needed. All the living organisms require air to breathe and water to drink. Air. As we know, blowing air is called wind. We get wind energy from the wind. Wind energy is used to generate electricity. Huge windmills are set up to obtain wind energy. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Kerala are a few places where windmills are set up. Sun. We get solar energy from the sun. Solar energy is used for various activities. It can be used to heat water, cook food, and light street lights. Solar energy is also used in villages for irrigation and to run water pumps. Water. We get hydroelectricity from water. Running water contains a lot of energy which can be utilized to obtain hydroelectricity by making huge dams. It is used for irrigation purposes and for household electricity supply also. With increasing water scarcity, it might soon become non-renewable. Soil. Soil is also another renewable resource. It is necessary for the survival of human beings. Our basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter are mainly fulfilled by the plants that grow in the soil or from the animals that feed on these plants. Teaching tips. Identify and explain the different sources of renewable energy. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the ones which once finished cannot be replenished. They are also known as exhaustible resources. Resources like coal, petroleum, and metals like copper and iron are found deep inside the earth. If all these resources get exhausted, they cannot be replaced. It is very important to conserve and use the non-renewable resources wisely. Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are important non-renewable resources. Coal is mainly used as a fuel to cook food, generate electricity, run steam engines, and run machines in factories. Crude oil that we get deep inside the Earth's surface or seabed is known as petroleum. It is then processed in refineries to obtain kerosene, Vaseline, petrol, and diesel. They are used to run automobiles, ships, and even aeroplanes. Petroleum is also known as black gold. Smart suggestion. The consumption of coal and petroleum products are the ultimate cause of air pollution. They should not be consumed in excess. Instead, we should switch to renewable resources as they do not pollute the environment. Key terms. Inexhaustible, which can never be finished. Exhaustible, which can be finished at certain point of time. Refineries, factories where oil is refined. Summing up. Natural resources are the ones that come from nature. Air, water, soil, and solar energy are some of the natural resources. Renewable and non-renewable resources are the two categories of natural resources. Renewable resources are the ones that does not get reduced even after their consumption. They are also known as inexhaustible resources. For example, air, sun, and water are renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the ones which once finished cannot be replenished. They are also known as exhaustible resources. For example, coal and petroleum are non-renewable resources. Crude oil that we get deep inside the Earth's surface or seabed is known as petroleum.